Hello dear, this is our showroom, you can see. And here is Alpine. We do OEM for Alpine and Lamborghini and Lenovo. Now this is the Japan brand Addzest from Clarion. Do you know Clarion? Clarion is famous in car audio and some car products like CarPlay, Android CarPlay, Linux CarPlay. This is car audio. This car audio is the similar design as the Clarion, and the quality is the same as Clarion. This car audio is very popular. This is the Addzest. We got the authority of the Japan Addzest. This model is very popular, and it is the newest one, and it is the newest model. It is very popular in US and Europe. Wi-Fi version, maybe in the future it has a 4G version. This is 4G. This is 4G version. Also this 4G version. And this is for 3 cameras, 2-in-1 in this device, and also have the rear camera. This is the fish eyes in car, and front cameras. This is the 4G 4K and 1K cameras. And this one is the 4K and 4K cameras. And we have a new design. We have the new software can make the dash cam and the CarPlay connect to our newest model air purifier in car. This is the Linux. This is the Linux CarPlay head unit, and here is the Android unit, Android CarPlay, and here is Addzest history. And Addzest is brand from Japan Clarion. And do you know the four-wheel? Clarion is purchased by Clarion from 2018. So Addzest at that time celebrate from Clarion. This is our product lines.